What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV, and today we are going to cover a time-saving feature in cPanel, the address importer. If you're looking to create multiple email accounts or email forwarders all at once, this tool will make your life a whole lot easier. Instead of manually setting up each one, you can import them in bulk using a spreadsheet. Let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure that you have an active RackNerd shared or reseller hosting plan with cPanel access. If you don't already have one, head over to racknerd.com to grab a plan that fits your needs. Now let me share my screen and let's get started with the tutorial. All right, once you're logged into your cPanel, scroll down to the email section and click on Address Importer. This tool allows you to import multiple email accounts or forwarders in just a few clicks using a CSV file or an Excel spreadsheet, XLS file. On the first page, you'll see step 1, which asks you to choose what you want to import. You have two options, email accounts or forwarders. Let's start with email accounts. After selecting email accounts, you'll move on to step 2, where you'll upload your file. Click Choose File, locate the CSV file or Excel file on your computer, and upload it. Now, how should your CSV or Excel file be formatted? This part is pretty important actually. If you're importing email addresses, at the very least, you'll need to include the email address field. You can also include additional options like domain name, a password, a mailbox quota, separated by comma and space, and then a break line for new data. So your spreadsheet might look something like this. user@yourdomain.com, comma, domain.com, comma, your password, comma, 500. If you're importing email forwarders, you'll need the source email address and the destination email address. For example, the entry would look something like support@yourdomain.com, comma, yourname@gmail.com. For quick setup, cPanel even provides example files for you to get started. You'll find links to download the example XLS or CSV files for both email accounts and forwarders right from the interface. These samples are super helpful, especially if you're unsure how to structure the spreadsheet. Now, once the file is uploaded and ready, just follow the on-screen instructions and cPanel will process the data and show you a preview before finalizing the import. You'll be able to review everything, and once you confirm, all the accounts or forwarders will be created automatically. And that's really how easy it is to bulk import email accounts or forwarders in cPanel using the address importer. It's pretty crazy, right? This feature is a huge time saver, especially for agencies, resellers, or businesses managing multiple email addresses. And as always, this feature comes included with RackNerd's cPanel hosting plans. So if you're not already hosting with us, visit racknerd.com for fast, secure, and affordable hosting solutions. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to RackNerd TV for more helpful cPanel tutorials and hosting tips. With that said, talk soon.